Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be installing a new part on my Tacoma. This is the Lexland hood shocks, so my hood can raise up and I don't have to use the lever anymore. So let's get them installed. So currently, when you pop the hood, you gotta lift it up and put your hood lever in. And it's not fun, so we're gonna fix that right now. So here's all the hood shocks and the brackets, and I got my instructions, so I'm going to see what this takes and we'll get them installed. So the first one we're going to install goes right here. We'll get that installed right now. We got that one on, and now our next one's gonna go right there. Just straight wrench. We got this one installed, so once you get your bottom bracket on, you just snap this and this into place, and you are good to go. Now we're going to repeat for the other side. Repeated our process and got our upper mount installed, so now we're going to come down here by the battery, and there is a bolt that we're going to take out right down here. So this next one is going to be right here. We're going to put our bolt in right there with our bracket. Now that everything is installed, we're gonna pop the hood, see how it is. Perfect. That is exactly what I was hoping for. This is another great product by Lexland. These fit perfect. Very happy with this. Thanks again for watching my videos. I do really appreciate everyone who watches. I will link a discount code below for 20% off, as well as a link to the website if anybody else wants to get these hood shocks. Thanks and subscribe.